What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's lesson we're drawing Rorschach from the Watchmen. Let's get started at the top of our page with the bottom edge of the hat. So we start all the way over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that comes down the middle. And then we'll just bend that back up on the right side. And then from the ends we're going to draw two straight angled lines coming up and in. So we'll start on the left, going up to right about there. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll connect the top with that same curve, starting back on the left, and down, and then bend that up. Let's curve in the side of the hat, starting back on the left, and go up, and then bend that in. Let's go over towards the right, going up, and then bring that in towards the same height. And then from the top, we're going to curve in and then down towards the center point. So we'll come across, and then bend that down, go up and out on the right. Now we're going to draw the top edge of the band. Starting on the left, let's step up and draw that same curve. Coming down, and then bending that back up. We're also going to add a fold along the side of the hat. Starting over on the left, curve down and then out. Line this up on the right side. Now with the hat in place, let's move down and draw the lower half of the head. We're going to line up with the outside of the hat, step down, draw a half circle. Come down the middle, round this out, and then pull that up on the right side. And we'll tuck the ears along the side. On the left side, we're going to step down, just going to curve out, and then bend that in underneath the hat. Let's mirror the left and right side with that ink blot, leaving a gap in the center. Start on the left, curve in and then down. Go to the right side, just come in the opposite direction. Just going to round up the inside and then pull that up. Let's curve down the side, going out and then down. Pull that down and in. Now from here it's going to pull this down, round this out, and then come up along the side. And then we'll work our way back up underneath the hat. Starting back on the left, go up and then out. Come up and then bend that in. And then we'll go out and just pull that up underneath the hat. And then we'll add two small spots along the bottom. Starting on the left, curve in and then out. Line this up on the right side. And from the bottom, we're going to go out and then up. And we'll close off the top with a curve, going across and then down. Let's fill the ink spots in black. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. We start over on the left side, leaving a gap underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, go out, and then down towards the same height. Now we're going to draw on the top of the belt. On the left, let's step up, we're going to curve down, and then bend that up. Let's add a knot over on the right side. So we start right in the middle, curve down and in, curve back out and up towards the top. And we'll draw on the side of the belt, starting from that bottom point, curve out towards the left and then down. Go back up to the top, go out towards the right. Let's flatten off the end with a straight angled line going up towards the side. And we'll pull this up and in towards the top of the knot. Now we're going to draw the bottom of the belt in behind the knot. Starting back on the left, we curve down and then in, go to the right and just pull that in behind. Let's move back up and draw in the collar. We're going to leave a gap in the center, go to the right side, curve down and over towards the right side, and pull that straight down on top of the belt. Let's go back to the center, curve out and up on the left. Let's draw on the right side collar. Starting from this point, curve out and then up, and go up and in with a short line. Now we're going to bend the collar going out, across towards the right. And then from here we'll curve this up and in behind the head. Now we're going to draw on the left side collar. Starting back on the left, curve out and up, and go up and in. Now we're going to draw that same curve, going up and out, curve up and in behind the head. And then we'll add 4 buttons on the inside. Let's start on the top left, draw a small circle, move over towards the right, and we'll add 2 more down below. We're also going to add a flap across the top of the body. Let's start on the left side collar, curve out and then down, line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now we're going to continue working down with the legs. Let's start with the side of the coat, starting on the left side, angle down and out with a straight line. And I'll connect the bottom with another curve, going down and then up. Let's continue the edge of the jacket down below. We're going to line this up, go straight down towards the bottom. And we'll tuck the legs in underneath the coat. You need a gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left side, curve the foot coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side and draw the top of the foot. We're going to start out here, I'm going to curve up. I'm just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and leave a gap on the inside. Just curve that back up on the inside of the leg. And then from the outside corner of the coat, we're going to step in and draw the side of the leg. Start on the left, curve out, and then down on top of the foot. And now we're going to add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body, starting right here, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right, do the same thing. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb. And we'll close off the end with a bracket. And now we're going to add 3 fingers. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, come down, and bend the finger going up around the bracket. Step down, curve down and up with the second finger. And then the third finger, we're going to go out. Just going to pull the arm going up and in toward the top of the collar. And now we'll add the cuff. Starting from the top of the thumb, we curve up and then out on either side. And then we'll add a trim. Stepping up, just follow that same curve coming in. Same thing on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's Rorschach from the Watchmen. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.